Alright guys, welcome to the Trading Edge. Today the video is going to be a bit different because we've got the FOMC out as I'm recording this, so there's some movement going on in the market. I'm not involved in any trades, and I will show you a potential trading opportunity at the end. But I just wanted to do something different because today I got a couple of questions. One was on social media and one was in the live room. And the one in the live room was along the lines of, I took a trade yesterday, it didn't really go my way, and I was wondering if I'd done something wrong. I wondered what your opinion was. And the other one was on social media, which was along the same lines, and I'll read it to you now. So it went like this. Hey Jason, hope all is well. I'm in a nice Aussie short down to the December low trend line. I was just wondering if you entered this one. And if you did, where you sold. Whether it was at the 618, 382, fib level, or 79.90. Nice trade, but I'm thinking that's where I should have entered, up there, and not a retest of the support become resistance. Thanks if you can answer. Finally getting there after 6 months of grind. First of all, I just want to say that if you're asking someone's opinion of where you should and shouldn't get involved in the market, you are not getting there, I'm afraid. There shouldn't be any feelings. The only thing you should be asking when you're taking a trade is if, then, right? There shouldn't be any, oh, maybe I should have done that. I probably should have done that. Possibly going to do that. No subjectivity at all. Objectives are if, then. If the market does this, then I do that. If the market does that, then I do this. And that should all be tested. Okay, so asking me what I think is not going to have any impact on you. Okay, if you haven't got a plan, a trade plan that you've tested and verified, and you're just taking trades blind, then you're not going to earn money over the long term. You're going to lose money eventually, right? So my answer was, don't take this the wrong way, but you aren't trading to, if you aren't trading to a plan and are still thinking, then you probably haven't tested anything and you're very likely to lose money over time. I know it sounds harsh, but my only goal is to create consistently profitable traders, so I will tell people what they need to hear to stop them blowing their account. Now, that's not really the best sales message. I'm not selling dreams like most people. You know, I'm telling it to people raw, giving it to them raw, giving them truths, because that's the truth. I only want to create consistently profitable traders. And if you haven't got a trading system that has an if-then thought syntax, right, and you don't know exactly when to get in and get out of a trade, then it doesn't matter what anyone else thinks of your trade, because you're not going to earn money over time. So that's why we're teaching people how to build these systems. We're not just giving you a system and letting you run along. We're actually teaching you how to build the systems yourself to suit your personality. You know, I know traders that don't mind being wrong more than they're right. You know, 20%, 30% of the time they're right. The rest of the time they're wrong and they're profitable. I know traders that need to be right more than they're wrong, like me. I like to be right more than I'm wrong. And the purpose of this platform is giving you all of the tools you need to go and create a system that suits your personality so you've got the highest chance of success. Now, when we was in the live room today, the trader that was saying, you know, I took a trade yesterday, it didn't go my way, and I was wondering what you thought. Well, first of all, if the trade didn't go your way, why didn't it go your way? Because if you're referring to it as a loss, well, then that doesn't matter because the market just moves, right? The market's doing what it's doing. You're going to take losing trades. The market's going to go in your favor to get you out at a profit, and it's still doing what it's doing. And you should expect winners and you should expect losers. So if you think that your trades are going to win every single time, that's unrealistic. You're going to have losing trades no matter what system you're trading. A good trade is defined by a trade that met those if-then rules. that meet your trade plan, that you've tested, verified, and you're able to go out and repeat because you know what your expected return on investment is over time. So I just want to share with you something as an example, because in fact, let me show you inside the platform right now. All right, we've had Jim Hodges in the room just now saying, just had time to watch Jason Graystone's series on trend continuation trades. Really, really good stuff. I highly recommend it to anyone who has not watched that series yet. Now, this is a guy who's he's a veteran in trading, right? He's been in the game a while. And I just want to show you what I mean by having definitive rules, because I'm just going to quickly take you over to the training courses just to show you, give you a little insight into what's inside there and what I've just put out. So this mastery section, all the advanced strategies to give you an edge, there is the Graystone trend continuation trade. And when you click on this module, you're going to be able to get access to a very, very detailed set of rules into the trade. So first of all, we're going to go through the theory. And then I'm going to give you the first chance entry, the second chance entry, and the conservative last chance entry. And then I'm going to give you lots of tips and tricks on how to build discretion into that trade as well. So you can, when you click on these, you're going to see very, very definitive rules for each and every single entry technique. And there's no subjectivity. It's not, oh, maybe I'll do this next time, or maybe I'll do that next time. No, it's if then, and that is how your trade plan has to be. If it's not that way, you are not going to generate money over time. And that's purely because the most important thing in trading is consistency. Without consistency, you've got nothing. So highly recommend you go and check this out. Get access to the tier 1 platform if you're not already. Obviously, you've got access to an amazing network of masterminds in there. As you can see, Jim's in there. There's lots and lots of professional traders in there to help you, and you've got access to all of this amazing content as well. So here's some of the reviews down here. Right, these are some of the comments from some of the traders inside the platform. As you can see, it is. It's extremely valuable, and people are getting a lot of value from it. So just thought I'd share that with you, just to keep you a bit on track and give you a bit of a slap back to reality on trading. Those of you who are off on the hype of cryptocurrencies and all that jazz. So thought I'd share that with you just to bring you back down to earth and let you know that there are people out here that just all we care about is just steering you away from that and creating successful traders. So just before I go, obviously FOMC the dust is just settling, but we've been looking at this cipher pattern for the last few days. This is a cipher on the 60. Those of you who know me, the cipher with the Aussie CAD is my personal favorite combination. It's the most profitable combination out of all of my portfolio, and looks like we could get a entry on this any minute now. So if you're hopefully this recording gets out in time, and if you trade cipher patterns and you trade it on this market and you've got that if then thought syntax, and this meets your trade plan rules, then good luck with this. And other than that, we'll be back in the live room tomorrow, where we can hopefully see the dust settle on the FOMC and get back into the market. So until then, take care, good luck in your trading, and if you're not already in the tier 1 platform, get over there now, and I'll see you in there.